Hey there, fellow curious minds! Welcome back to another mind-blowing episode of our channel. Today, we're taking a plunge into the wild world of evolution. Buckle up because we're about to embark on an awe-inspiring adventure through time and space. Evolution, my friends, is like a cosmic makeover show that never ceases to amaze. It's a mind-boggling process where species transform and adapt over time. Like a fashion-forward makeover that constantly remixes genetic traits through natural selection. Picture this. The fittest individuals survive and pass on their winning traits. Kind of like passing on the genetic torch to the next generation. And as this happens, new species emerge, flaunting their own unique features and adding to the mind-blowing diversity of life on our planet. Now, let's transport ourselves to the stunning Galapagos Islands. Imagine a collection of islands scattered across the vastness of the Pacific Ocean. These islands were a playground for a diverse array of finch species, each strutting its own unique characteristics. But get this, these finches, my friends, all descended from a common ancestor. Can you believe it? It's like a family reunion where everyone shows up looking completely different. This showcases the true power of evolution.
At the heart of the story lay the Darwinian scheme of evolution, a process that involves gradual change over generations. Over generations, the finches experienced heritable variation, meaning that genetic traits such as beak shape and size were passed down from parent to offspring. These variations served as a basis for future adaptations. Within this population of finches, a significant event occurred that forever altered the evolutionary path: a genetic mutation. This mutation led to variations in beak morphology among the finches. Some had thick, strong beaks, while others possessed slender, delicate beaks. This seemingly small change proved to be a game changer, as it created a range of beak shapes that suited different feeding habits and ecological niches. As the finches populated the various islands of the Galapagos archipelago, they encountered different environmental conditions and available food sources. These variations in their surroundings led to a dynamic genetic equilibrium, where the frequencies of different beak shapes within each island's population fluctuated based on the specific challenges and resources available.
But what determined which finches thrived and which struggled? The answer lies in selection in action. Selection in action became a dominant force in the finch's evolution. The beak shape that best suited the available food determined the finch's survival and reproductive success. Those with beaks well adapted for crackling hard seeds thrive on islands with such resources, while those with slender beaks better suited for probing flowers flourished on islands where nectar was abundant. Natural selection favored individuals with advantageous traits, allowing them to pass on their genes to the future generations. Over time, the finches experienced the interplay of two important factors: genetic drift and gene flow. Genetic drift refers to the random fluctuations in the frequencies of different beak morphologies within smaller, isolated populations of finches. This led to the development of different races and species of finches, each uniquely adapted to the specific environment of its island. As the finches populated the various islands of the Galapagos archipelago, they encountered different environmental conditions and available food resources. This variation in their surroundings led to a dynamic gene equilibrium where the frequencies of different beak shapes within each island's population fluctuated based on specific challenges and resources available.
However, the story doesn't end there. Gene flow, the exchange of genetic material between different populations, played a crucial role in maintaining a shared ancestry among the finches. It connected the various islands and reduced genetic differences between populations, contributing to their overall diversity. In one extraordinary event, An instantaneous speciation occurred. Picture a group of finches marooned on a remote island abundant with insects. Over just a few generations, they underwent rapid changes in beak morphology, evolving specialized beaks ideal for capturing and consuming insects. These new traits made them distinct from their mainland relatives and showcased the incredible adaptability of the finches through natural selection.
The finches' evolutionary journey was also marked by adaptive radiation. As they colonized different islands and faced varying ecological challenges, the finches radiated into multiple specialized species. Each species possessed unique beak shapes and foraging behaviors, allowing them to exploit available resources and thrive in their respective island habits. This process of adaptive radiation played a significant role in shaping the diversity of finch species we see today. The story of the Galapagos finches is intimately connected to the grand tapestry of life's history. They are part of the ongoing narrative of the origin of life, as their existence emerged from the ancient origins of avian species. Molecular evolution, driven by genetic mutations and natural selection, shaped their beak morphologies and facilitated their adaptation to diverse environments. But the finch's story doesn't just revolve around biology. It also intertwines with the concepts of social behavior and cultural evolution. Some finches found strength in numbers and developed intricate social structures, while others passed down knowledge and innovative behaviors from one generation to the next. Cultural practices and behaviors played a role in their adaptation and survival, opening new realms of possibility.
As we delve into the remarkable true story of the Galapagos finches, we witness the power of evolution at work. The main concepts of evolution were intertwined that together defined its own majesty, and now comes to a close. But as one story ends, countless others continue to unfold as life's dance carries on through the ages. And that, my fellow explorers of knowledge, brings us to the end of our exhilarating story through the wonders of evolution. We've witnessed the power of genetic remixing, the dance of natural selection, and the breathtaking transformations that have shaped the lives of the finches in our story. In the world today, evolution continues to captivate and surprise us at every turn. So next time you encounter a seemingly simple bird, remember the awe-inspiring story of the Galapagos finches and the intricate processes that have shaped their existence. It serves as a reminder of the ongoing wonders of evolution and the interconnectedness of all living beings on our planet. Until our next mind-expanding adventure, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring!